scary over here. You're okay.
That's right. A little more chop. She's getting a little lazy on you. Push her up into the canter. Much better. That's right. Good. And her hunches are a little right. See if you can get a little right leg and say, tuck your hunch right under you. Yep. That's it. That's better. Okay, keep going.
Good boy.
A little right rein to keep her bent to the right. You can get a little more bent right. That's better. That's better. Good. Ask her to step under herself with her right hind again. She's a little weak from doing the jumpers. Yeah. That's it. Good. And find a place to circle. Whoop. It's okay. That's okay. A little more right bend. A little right bend. And then say canter. Good. Little right bend.
Good boy.
That's it. That's it. And find a place to circle. You can do a 10 meter or 15 meter. Good. Think about bending her through her body, not just her nose. That's it. Good. Yeah. Okay. You don't know her. Good. And now do a smaller circle. So think more of a pirouette type circle. Get her to bend, lift, smaller. That's it. Whoop. So don't forget to finish.